Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your teacher Usman Ali, and the video is regarding the solution of the task 4 of the cross currency arbitrage numericals, chapter 3, international finance. So, as you can see, again we have been given three quotes actually. Quote 1, quote 2, or the market rate 1, 2, 3. We got a what you say problematic quote, and then we had suppose that we had $1 million in our hand. So if we have $1 million, then obviously the next currency in the cross quote is euro, which means that we intended to convert $1 million into euros actually. Okay, so this is the overall thing. As you know, if let's say you are watching this video task 4 before watching the video of task 1 and you are a beginner to cross currency arbitrage, so I would recommend you to go back and watch the video of task 1 and then come back here. Okay, so first of all we're gonna calculate the cross quote or cross multiplication, kind of informal names given. Okay, for that I need to multiply the two non-problematic quotes. Again, the word non-problematic or problematic are like not formal words. Okay, euro by pound is actually equal to 0.9915, which is this one. So I'm gonna multiply left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side with the right hand side of these quotes, like this, 1.4152. So left with left, right with right. Now if you see here, we have 2 pounds which had a potential of being cancelled, but not in this situation, not in the current situation. One should be at the top and one should be like at the bottom, so then it's gonna work. Now if I see here, I need an exchange rate where euro should be at the top and dollar should be down. So if I see here, euro is already at the top, that's like comparable, but dollar is down here and dollar is up here, which means I must bring the dollar down in order to like make it comparable. Okay, so what I do is I do not bring any changes in euro pound, and so as there is no change in its respective numerical value or mathematical value as well, okay, or the exchange rate as well. But if I bring the dollar down, US dollar down, then obviously pound gonna go up, and there would be a shift here as well. If there is nothing, so obviously there is always 1, so 1 will go up and 1.4152 gonna come down actually. And now it makes it very easy for us to cancel the pound with each other. The remainder value would be euro divided by US dollar, which is exactly in the same format of our market code given to us. If we solve this, divide it and then multiply it, so we get an exchange rate of 0.700608. Okay, so this can be called as our cross quote. If you see our cross quote is not equal to market quote, it means we have profit opportunity. I just want to verify that can we take advantage out of this opportunity or not? Can we earn it or not? So if you remember, in order to solve such numericals, we need to go direct and indirect approach. Okay, so I will go for the direct method and the indirect method. In the direct method, I will try to convert my $1 million directly into the euro. Okay, that's what I want to do. So this is the exchange rate, euro divided by dollar is equal to 0.7 like 0000. Even if I put more zeros, it never gonna make any difference. The rule was currency in hand must be written at the bottom. So if you see here, we have like $1 million in hand, so dollar is already at the bottom. There is no violation of the rule. We can directly write $1 is equal to 0.5 times 0 or 6 times 0, never gonna make any difference, equal to this much euros. Okay, so the $1 million will be equal to quantity into rate, and the quantity is 1 million. The rate is 0.7, let's say 5 times zeros, If you multiply that, we will get a value of 700,000 euros. So this much money we're gonna get if we convert our dollars directly. Let's go indirect here now. Okay, in the indirect, obviously we had to involve a third currency. So first I will convert these $1 million into a third currency, which you see here we have is pound, and then whatever pound I get, I will convert that into euros. So let's go for the first one. If I convert dollars into pound, I need an exchange rate of dollar and pound also. Okay, so let me write this exchange rate. Dollar by pound is equal to 1.4152. Now the rule was currency in hand must be written at the bottom. Currency in hand, I have dollars. Dollar is not at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring it by force to the bottom. Okay, and earlier in my earlier videos as well, I said that in real life, like, we don't follow the protocol a lot because it's kind of an easy thing, and we do that in a fraction of seconds and using calculators. But we are in the literature dimension, so I'm going to follow the proper procedure of that. Okay, so when I replace it or shuffle it, pound will go up and dollar will come down. But then if I shuffle the left hand side, then obviously I'm gonna shuffle the right hand side also, like this. Is it okay? And now $1 will be equal to 0.70661391 actually. Okay, so if I get this much value, then obviously I'm gonna convert my $1 million also. So $1 million would be quantity multiplied by the rate. The quantity that I have is $1 million, and the rate is this one, 0.70661391. Sorry for that. Okay, when you multiply that, we will end up with a value of 7,06,613.91 pound, and please keep in mind this is a rounded value. Okay, now in the next step, I'm supposed to convert this money which I have in pounds into euros actually. So to convert that, I'm going to use the euro pound exchange rate. Here euro divided by pound is equal to 0.9915. Currency in hand is pound, which is already at the bottom. Thank you very much. No need of any conversion. 1 pound would be equal to 0.9915 euros. Okay, or 7,06,613.91 pounds will be equal to quantity into the rate. So the quantity is 706,613.91 and the rate is 0.9915. When you multiply this, we get a rounded value of 7,006,007.69 and euros actually. So this would be called as our source B. Okay, now if I compare B with A, so I see that B is greater than A. I end up with having 607 more pounds actually. Okay, I mean 607.69 more pounds. So this is how actually you solve the cross currency arbitrage, and just keep in this mind this reversal thing and this one as well, that it's occasional and it's the literature procedure actually. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe.